with my bro Charlie, and it has been just Ameerah. You guys asked me for that, so I gave it to you. Do you guys like it? Do you not? Comment down below.
Wise men say.
Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing another challenge, and this one is going to be called the Limited Time Slime Pressing Challenge. So, let me tell you the rules really quick because I'm pretty sure Charlie was never listening to me. And this is what you gotta do. We have 3 minutes to try and make a slime that is perfect for slime pressing. You know how there's like fishbowl that's like crunchy, butter slime for spreadable, you know, just regular for pocolos, you know, glossy pocolo, you know? So basically, you're gonna have to make a really nice, like, stretchy slime, so you can stretch it and then go like that, and it has to be like really nice and crunchy, and it also has to look really pretty so that you guys can judge your slimes and see who wins. So yeah.
Alright, got it.
You sure?
Yeah, I heard glossy, 3 minute, and pretty, and those all make me think that we're doing something about a car.
Yeah.
Alright.
I think you're right. Alright, so let's go ahead and get our supplies, Charlie. Alright guys, so first I got some glue bottles, then I got some food coloring, some boo bags, also a bunch of glitters because who doesn't want glitters, and also some water to make sure I get every single drop of that glue out of there.
Fine. What I have is a bowl, a fork, I have this, that, some of these, some of this, a little bit of that,
Air freshener,
and a whole lot of this.
red food coloring. Anyway, so, are you ready, Charlie? Are y'all ready, kids?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I can't hear you.
I freaking said yes, and I have to say it one more time. I'm going to
go! Alright. I'm already freezing up.
Alright. Oh, why am I even hurrying?
Why not?
Alright, now we make it smell good.
Make this. Oh, it's so thick.
Yeah.
It's so nice and thick. Alright, now I'm gonna add.
Ameerah, can you get some like better food coloring that makes my slime look like blood?
Charlie.
2
minutes, Charlie, 2 minutes.
Yeah, I have more than enough time. Ameerah, you took my red with a freaking freak on a popsicle stick. Mother trucker, dude, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick.
That smells really good, Charlie.
Yeah, I know. So do I.
Yeah! Okay, we have 1 minute and 40 seconds. Go.
Did you just fart? That's right.
We have 55 seconds. Go.
Gosh, I guess I did need more time. What's happening to it? You got rookie.
Oh God. 20 seconds!
Oh, okay, I'm almost done.
Okay.
Ameerah, why does yours look like mine? Freaking cheaper cat.
Why does yours look like mine?
No, because I made mine first. Okay.
10 seconds. I don't have enough force. 5, 4, 3, 2.
I broke it.
Stop! Alright, well, now we have made a slime, and now we're gonna do the slime pressing. Alright guys, so here's my slime. It is so nice. Let me just do some ASMR for you. Oh my god, it has so much glitter. It was supposed to be unicorn, but I realized I didn't have that much time, so I just decided to make a nice pink glittery slime, but now it kind of looks like a princess slime because Charlie had to, at the last moment, add a bunch of gold glitter
I didn't add it. The bottle broke.
and just spontaneously went onto my...
It broke. Look, I even made a mess on my side. It's not my fault.
Anyways, now we're going to be doing the slime pressing, and let's start.
Sounds like French fries.
Beat that, Charlie.
I will.
And I know a lot of you guys say that this isn't slime pressing, but I really like it still. I don't know exactly what it is then, the slime pressing swirl, but I still like it, so I'm gonna do it. Yes. All right, let me just do it again for you guys. Kind of looks like an atomic bomb or something. Whoever thought of this, I love you.
Thank you.
You thought of it? Mm-hmm. Okay. I really wish it was more clear, but I hope you guys like it. Make sure you comment down below, #Team Potato.
Just trying to make it smell good, just a little. What I have is really nice background here. There's Charlie Slime. As you can see, mine is like delicious. Ready? Ready? Okay, ready.
Oh my god. Charlie, I don't... You need a little bit of help?
No, Ameerah, I'm a professional slime hoarder. It didn't pop. It was just glitter. But we can try it one more time, right? The trick is to go really fast.
No, Charlie, there's not the trick at all.
Oh. Ugh. Okay, now it's time for FANSA time.
Oh god.
Fiend!
Alright guys, so make sure you comment down below who you thought won the first round. We're gonna be having 2 rounds because I just want another round. This was just so fun to me. So make sure you comment down below round 1, #Team Potato or
Chicken Tender Squad.
Alright, well, let's get on to round 2. Go ahead and collect your stuff, contestants. Alright guys, so we got all of the ingredients we need to make a high pizza pie. Oh! Alright, so let's just start. 1.
Wait, my fork. I got my fork.
At this time, I decided to do some fluffy slime because, I don't know, I feel like the Elmer's glue is really thick, so it doesn't work too well for this, so let's try this. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. I know what I'm doing now.
Why did I put so much?
Alright.
You know what? A lot is good. A lot is good. Alright, Charlie, 2 minutes! Go! 1 minute and 30 seconds, okay.
You see, the trick of mine is...
I wish there was a brand...
bunch of water.
I wish there was a brand that would make shaving cream where it had like different shaving cream colors and also the shaving cream would come out faster.
And if it had like soul sand, you know, so you could like eat.
Eat what?
I don't know, man. Porcupine.
50 seconds, go!
Oh, gosh, I'm not gonna freaking make it.
What did you do?
I'm making jiggly slime.
You're supposed to add the freaking water to at the end. I mean, in the beginning. That's easier.
That is smart.
5 more minutes, Charlie. Only got 5 more seconds.
I still got this cup of water. Done. Oh no.
Alright, Charlie, I'm gonna extend this a minute because I feel like we need 1 more minute. Especially you.
I need a little bit more than a minute.
So, yeah, let's 1 more minute, guys, and go!
Oh. Ameerah.
Charlie, just knead it fast. Come on, go.
But I don't have enough. My plan was to use all the water to make its mass. See, I only have this much.
Okay, then add a lot more water.
But I was wanting to make it like really jiggly.
Then add a bunch of shaving cream. Put some shaving cream in it.
No.
23 more seconds.
Oh, you made it all white now. Oof.
5 more seconds, go!
1 second. Done.
Alright guys, so we're all done with our slime. So now we're gonna do the slime pressing and I call first. Yes!
Dang it.
Alright. Alright guys, here is my slime and it's supposed to be like cotton candy type deal, you know?
Ugh, that again? I'm gonna cry, baby.
No, it's just cotton candy. Alright, now we are going to mix it. Oh my god, it looks even cooler than I expected. It's not cracking, guys. What happened? Alright, we're gonna have to do swirls because that seems like it cracks more. Alright guys, I to do this really quick because I felt like it was gonna look cool. Just gonna. All right, guys, you ready? Yes. You guys, it looks so pretty. It looks like a galaxy. It seems like fluffy slime doesn't work too well with the slime pressing. Alright, let me just do a finale swirl really quick. You know what? I'm gonna do a finale swirl with this. And that is it. You guys can look at Charlie's now. Make sure to comment down below, #teampotato.
No. I don't think I can do this.
Just pump it up. We'll just here. 2, 3, go. Yay, you got it. Ooh.
Oh. Okay, now we do like that thing that Ameerah does where you grab the top or something like that and you let it go down and then you just like, oh, clean the table a little. Nice, this actually works. Don't forget to comment down below, #ChickenTenderSquad, and we gotta triumph Ameerah. We gotta get like, hey guys, we gotta get like 500,000 comments that say Chicken Tender Squad, all right? Good,
no,
go.
We gotta get like, no, 800,000 with Team Potato. Okay, so make sure to comment down below if you liked our slimes or not, or if you want us to do a part 2 to this. Maybe you want us to do it in like 10 minutes or like maybe even 30 seconds. That is probably impossible, but whatever. And also make sure to comment down below, #TeamPotato if you thought that my slime one, and if you thought that Charlie's slime one.
Chicken Tender Squad!
Also, one last thing, guys. I just wanted to say, I make a lot of slime, guys, so I'm starting to like run out of space. Like, I have a lot of cups of slime from all the challenges I've done, and a lot of them actually have gone in the trash because some of them aren't really usable.
Anyways, you talking about mine?
Yes. And so I was thinking maybe I should just, you know, restock every Sunday on the Etsy shop and just put all the challenges slimes on there. And I don't know if it's a good idea or not, but you guys comment down below if it is. #yes or #no. And that is it, guys. Love you so much. And I really hope I see you guys next time. Bye.